guys, welcome back to my channel Nabil Moto Vlogs. I hope you are fine, and today's vlog is going to be short because I have ordered Paytm Fastag. So all the vlog is going to be on the Fastag, how to apply on the car windshield, and how I'll just show you. And because Fastag has been compulsory from the 15th of Jan, so that I have ordered a little bit late because I just want to know whether there are some rules, whether they'll change or what, but it is mandatory. So I have ordered the Fastag, here it is, and I have gone to Paytm Fastag because I don't want to go to Axis Bank, and there are many other banks who are giving the Fastag, but Fastag from Paytm, it's good. I can recharge whenever I want, and I can pay to the toll gates. So that I have gone to the Paytm. So let's go, and I will do the unboxing of this Fastag. Stay tuned, and if you are new to my channel, do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Nabil Moto Vlogs. And still that's okay guys, I'll be back. So guys, this is how it looks. It comes from the Paytm mall. I've ordered as I told you in my video, and these are some address. I don't want to show of my house address except my name. Yeah, that's okay. And let's unbox it then. It's very easy for unboxing, and here you get this Fastag over here. Here are some paperwork. Just a minute. Yeah guys, let's check out this. There is a bill over here, and it cost me around 500 with service charges, everything, and with as you want to maintain your Fastag, you should at least have minimum balance of rupees 150. It includes with everything in that, and it cost me around 500. So let's keep this aside, and this is how the Fastag look, guys. It tells Paytm Bank. This is a QR code, everything, and actually this Fastag should be sticking like this. From the outside of the windshield, from the inside of the windshield should stick like this. So let's go and stick it in the car. And I want to tell one more thing, that buying a Fastag is very easy. Go on the Paytm, and there will be a Fastag, and apply for the Fastag. Enter the vehicle number, and put the RC front copy and back copy of the photo. Catch the photo and just upload it, and then you can go back, and you can step ahead to the purchasing of the Fastag. And it comes, and it's very good. It comes with a 3M tape. You can see. I hope you can see. Yeah. It comes with a 3M tape. And so guys, I'm going to install the Fastag in the car. So let's go ahead and install this Fastag. Let's go. And by the way, I should take the car for the wash also, because it's too dirty, and because of this house construction was going on, so that all the dust has been on the car. So let's go. So guys, finish unlocking the car. Let's go inside. And as I told you, I want to install the Fastag. The Fastag should be in center. So please don't try tagging the Fastag on the left hand side, because sometimes it may detect the machine, or sometimes it may not. Let's go, and I will show you the process how to install the Fastag. So guys, this is the Fastag, and let's go ahead to install this, and it should be coming like this on the center. I hope you guys can see. And I want to tell once more, before installing, make sure that you wipe the area which you are applying the Fastag. Okay, so let's start the process. So this is the Fastag. Let's go ahead and install it. So guys, right now I'm shooting in my phone because I'm not able to vlog in this camera because it's very small. And before installing the Fastag, you mentioned that the mirror over here which is coming, make sure to know the center of it, and before applying you best clean it. Okay, as I'm cleaning over here, and I've seen over here because it's center over here, and let me install it and I'll show you back. Once you install, please don't try to reassemble it because it may cause your Fastag damage. And here it goes, guys. Yeah. So as you can see, I have seen the center over here through this, and correctly back of that I have installed the Fastag, and I hope it's correct. Let me show you from the outside. So actually sorry for that because the car is very dirty. I'll make a small vlog on the washing the car. See, as you can see, Fastag over there. I hope you can see, guys. Just check out the Fastag. It's coming correctly near the mirror. And that's it for this video, guys. If you really like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, and I will be bringing more videos like such videos for you guys. Until then, stay safe. Bye, guys.